In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo gallery with albums in WordPress. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to enhance their WordPress skills, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel and where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a menu of options. You want to hover over plugins and then click on Add New. This will take you to the plugin library, a treasure trove of tools that can add almost any functionality to your site. In the search bar located on the top right, type in Photo Gallery by 10 Web. It's a popular plugin that's both powerful and easy to use, perfect for our needs today. Once you find it, click on Install Now, and after a moment, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and activate it to integrate the plugin into your site. With the plugin activated, you'll notice a new option in your dashboard menu called Photo Gallery. Clicking on this will bring up a submenu. Here, select Add Galleries Albums. A new screen will appear where you can create a gallery. Click on the Add New button. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your gallery. Choose something that's memorable and descriptive. Next, you'll need to add photos to your gallery. Click on the Add Images button. This will allow you to upload images from your computer. Simply drag and drop or select the images you want to include. Give WordPress a moment to upload them, and then you'll see them appear in your media library. You can choose multiple images here to add to your gallery by clicking on each one you want to include. Once you've selected your images, click on the Add to Gallery button. Now that your gallery is filled with beautiful photos, it's time to create an album. In the same submenu under Photo Gallery, select Albums. Click on Add New, and give your album a name that reflects its content or theme. After naming your album, look for the Add Gallery to Album button. This is where you can attach the gallery, or galleries, you've just created to your new album. With your album ready, the final step is to display it on a page or post. Go to the page or post where you want your album to appear and click on Edit. In the editing screen, find and click on the Add Photo Gallery button. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to select the album you created. Choose your album, and insert it into your page. Preview the changes, and when you're satisfied with how everything looks, hit Publish. And that's it. You've successfully created a photo gallery with albums in WordPress. Your visitors can now enjoy viewing your curated photographs with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.